Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start the chapter 13 whose name is electric current and its effect. In this chapter we will learn about electric circuit diagram, heating effect of electric current and magnetic effect of electric current. We know that we live in an age where electricity is a necessity. Apart from lighting the bulb, we also enjoy the benefits provided by various electrical devices and appliances. Before starting the chapter, there is one question before the previous class that why is the electrical bulb hot? What makes the electric iron hot? So, there are different types of effects that electric current produces when it flows in a circuit. The working of electrical appliances or devices are based on one or more of these effects. In this chapter, we will study about electric circuits and a few of the effects of electric current and how these effects can be put to our use. We will discuss about the circuit diagram. What do you mean by the circuit diagram? A simple diagram that represents the electric circuit using standard symbol of component is called a circuit diagram. A circuit diagram should have the following components. First, a source, that is one or more electric cell. Second, the path or we can also say the wires of the circuit that should not have any discontinuity except the discontinuity made by the switch. Third is a bulb showing the output. An open and closed circuit are shown in the figure. Next is effects of electric current. As we know that when an electric current flows through a circuit, it produces two types of effects. First is heating effect of electric current and second is magnetic effect of electric current. Next we will discuss about the heating effects of electric current. When a current flows through a circuit, then heat is produced. This effect is known as the heating effect of electric current. Many electrical appliances work as a result of this effect. For example, an electric iron becomes hot when switched on. This is because the current flows through the wire and produces heating effect. Many other appliances or electrical appliances works on the heating effects of electric current like electric bulb, electric emulsion rod, electric oven, electric kettle, electric sandwich maker, hair dryer and electric water heater are some examples which work on the heating effect of electric current. Let me discuss about the working of the electric bulb. How the electric bulb works. An electric bulb contains a thin wire called filament. The filament is usually made up of a metallic element which is called a tungsten. When the bulb is switched on, the filament gets heated up and glows. When the filament breaks, the current will not flow and the bulb is said to be fused. Some of other electrical appliances such as electric iron contains coil tightly wound around mica plates. When current passes through these coils, the electric iron gets heated. The amount of heat produced by the electric iron depends on the following factors. First factor is the length of the coil. The longer the coil, the greater is the heat produced. Second is the thickness of the coil. That means the thinner the coil, more is the heat produced. Third is the material of the coil. That means coil made of tungsten produces more heat than the coil made up of copper or other elements.